Welcome to this short session to explain one concept, the green premium. Is one of the videos of rental car. We are going to talk about the green premium and the role of the energy certificates in the analysis of green premium, and also what the energy certificate is, the origin and the role in the market. A green premium is a way to measure the market price difference of an energy efficient property related to another one which a similar characteristic but is not green. That is the way to measure the extra market price given to the green properties relative to others. It's a system is identified through the price to measure several things. Market price measure the buyer perception, tastes or preferences for green units. Also, the market price measure the supposed extra cost for better design installation or installation making the property to be green, or the lower energy consumption cost associated to a particular energy efficient house. Or potentially, the price is also measuring better quality, resulting in a lower energy consumption. Because the price energy efficient properties, the capture of these different of prices allow to discriminate among prices. So there's more transparency in the market, allowing to market choices to be clearly and more efficient. Allow to take decisions to invest in renovation or refurbishing. That is, if the cost of is lower than the price, the green cost is lower than the green price, then the decision is taken, the decision to renovate. Also is allowing to take decision on investment in green buildings, permits to evaluate disproportionate energy consumption, so it's probably good base for taxes, and it gives a measure of investment incentive for energy renovation. The investment incentive is one of the key of the market performance, so it's very important to know the green premium associated to a property. Also, this importance has been recognized by the European Union. The European Union has been regulating strongly, focusing on reduce energy consumption and CO2 emissions for the whole European Union countries. It has been this interest has been increasingly regulated, starting with several directives since 2010 to 2013, making many countries to modify the technical requirements for construction in order to produce green buildings, and also create in 2013 the energy certificates, which are compulsory for all the European Union countries. The incentive of the European member states to grant refurbishing and renovation has improved energy efficiency, and the goal is to reduce the energy consumption 30% in 2020. But housing and building stock is too large, and the public budget is not enough to invest from the public side enough to reduce the energy. So the only opportunity for the European Union regulation to achieve the goal is to engage the private investment. So private investment requires market incentives. A green premium is one of the market incentives. But we have problems. Green premium is not observable. It's a part of the price. It's embedded of the price among many other attributes. And the problem is how to calculate and how to observe it. The economic techniques allow to observe, identify the green premium. Normally, the current literature has been using hedonic models to extract the green premium from the price, but hedonic models require many information about the characteristics. This information are currently being collected by energy certificates, but the problem is most of contents of the energy certificates are not being prepared to be analyzed. However, some international evidence estimate the green premium between 3 and 6% of the property price, which is a very important advance in order to introduce more transparency in the market. Energy certificates are certificates compulsory to be presented for every property that want to be rented or transacted in the market or be refurbished. It's compulsory since 2013 in all the European Union members, and normally is defined, managed and supported by national regional authorities with mostly technical estimation about how much consumption or emission are associated to a house or a building with depending on their particular characteristics. This is the classification of the energy certificates, and is the way that the energy certificates define the efficiency. Only knowing this information inside the energy certificates is the way to exactly measure the quantity, part of the price associated to every green building. And to do that, we need to know this information. So let's use it. And this wanted to stress the authorities to combine some part of energy certificate information with some part of the market information, which is available at the same time, in order to allow us to calculate the energy certificates.